Salam and welcome to Hakeem Saab channel. In this channel, I'll give you information about medicines used in Unani medicine or Hikmat. Today's medicine is bamboo silica or bamboo manna, which is also known as tabashir. It is mostly used for heart palpitations and anxiety in Unani medicine. I'll tell you what is this medicine, what are its main benefits, how it is used, and a lot more. Viewers, I'm a certified Unani and natural medicine practitioner. I'm practicing Unani medicine for more than 20 years. Aim of this channel and video is to share my experience and knowledge with you. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So, what is tabashir? Tabashir is a white translucent substance obtained from the nodal joints of some species of bamboo, especially Bambusa aerodinata. After cutting, drying and splitting the bamboos into half, bamboo manna or tabashir extracted from the nodes of bamboo. Benefits: due to its pliant, astringent, highly cold and drying properties, it is good for palpitation and anxiety, vomiting and loose motion, fever, burns, gastroesophageal reflux disease and thirst, mouth sore and ulcers, teeth, hemorrhoids bleeding, spermatoria and seminal leakage. Uses: remedy for heart palpitations and anxiety. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of water. Add 2 to 3 grams of ground tabashir in it. Take it before 30 minutes of meal twice a day. You can also use this remedy in gastroesophageal reflux disease and for controlling thirst. Remedy for vomiting and loose motion due to heat. Mix 2 grams of ground tabashir and 2 grams of sugar. Add it in a cold water and take it twice a day. For children, use 1 gram of tabashir and 1 gram of sugar. This remedy is also useful in seminal leakage, spermatoria and hemorrhoids bleeding. Remedy for chronic fever. Boil 6 grams of hurt-leaved moonseed branches in a 250 ml of water for 15 minutes. Filter it with a cloth. Add 2 grams of ground tabashir in it. Take it every morning before breakfast. Remedy for mouth sores and ulcers. Take tabashir and cardamom of same weight or evenly balanced, mix and grind them and make a powder. Sprinkle that powder at mouth sore or ulcer. Spit it out after 5 minutes. Remedy for burn. For first degree burns, hold the burned area under or immerse it in a normal or cool water. Remember, not cold water. Sprinkle fine ground tabashir at the burn. Cover the burn with a clean cloth. Remedy for strong teeth. Use ground tabashir as a tooth powder and brush with it for 5 minutes twice a day. Scientific research. Tabashir consists of silica, more than 70%. Besides this, it has glucosides and some traces of lime, potash and iron oxide. As a major part of tabashir is a silica, that's why it is also known as bamboo silica. Silica helps calcium to absorb in bones. It also helps in bone formation. It gives flexibility and softness to bones. It keeps nails, hair and skin healthy and young. That's why it is also considered as a very good anti-aging agent. Alternative to tabashir is porcelain seeds. Dosage: 1 to 3 grams is a recommended dosage of tabashir. Side effects: due to its highly cold property, it is bad for lungs and can cause mild ED if used for a long time or if you use more than the recommended dosage. Antidote: if you have to take it for a long time, for lungs, take it with aloe vera or mastic. For erectile dysfunction, take it with honey or mastic. Temperament or mizaj: tabashir is cold at level 3 and dry at level 3. And lastly, various names of tabashir. In English, it is bamboo manna or bamboo silica. In Urdu, Arabic and Farsi, it is tabashir. In Hindi, it is Banslochen or Vanslochen. In Chinese Mandarin, it is Tianzhu Huang. So that's all. Please tell me in the comment section which remedy of bamboo silica you liked most. If you want to know what is Unani medicine, what are temperaments, what are humors, visit this site. You can find the link in description too. Hope you find this information useful. So please subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, comment on it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can watch all my videos in time. Thanks and salam.